Hello and welcome again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how you can enable virtualization technology in your system from the BIOS. So if you are trying to install a VirtualBox like this, so to do that, you have to enable the virtualization technology from your BIOS first. So you can see that if it's enabled or not from your taskbar. So you can check by opening the task manager. So just right click on the taskbar and click on the task manager, and then go to the performance tab. On the CPU, if we click to the CPU, you can see over here it's saying virtualization enabled, but if it's showing disabled, then I'm going to show you how you can enable it. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to open the BIOS setup. So you can just restart the computer and press whatever BIOS key is assigned to you. Like I'm using a Dell computer, so it's F2 for me. Okay, so as you can see, this is the option. It's called virtualization support. So we have to enable this one. So just click on it. Just click on the plus icon. Okay, and click on the virtualization. So as you can see, this is called Enable Intel Virtualization Technology. So this is the field we are going to enable it. So just check this box and click apply. Then we are going to exit, and it will restart the computer. So once this done, the virtualization will be enabled from your computer, and you can use the VirtualBox. So this is how you can enable the virtualization process or virtualization technology in your Windows computer or any system that you're using from your BIOS. So if you find this video helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you.